guys, it's Malia. Today my sister Joy is going to teach you how to make some awesome fluffy slime. So you're going to need some hot water, dye, glue, shaving cream, some borax, and a measuring cup. So the first thing you're going to need to do is take a spoonful of borax and then just stir it into the hot water like Joy's doing here. So the next thing you're going to do is put some glue into a measuring cup. Now you don't have to have a specific amount, just know that the amount of glue you use is how much slime you're going to get. Now you're going to put some dye or acrylic paint in with the color of your choice. You can add as much or as little pigment as you would like. Now you're just going to add some shaving cream. You can add as much or as little as you like. Just remember, the more shaving cream you add, the fluffier it gets. So now you're just going to put in your borax activator. Just make sure to put in very small amounts at a time, or else the slime will get very clumpy and it won't stretch. Now you're going to want to keep mixing until it starts clumping up like this, and then you can just mix it with your hands. If it's too sticky, add some more activator, and then just keep kneading it with your hands. If your slime isn't really stretchy, then just dunk it in some of the hottest water you can stand for a few seconds, and then take it right out and keep kneading it with your hands. Then it should get a lot more stretchy. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. Please subscribe and like the video, and I will see you in the next one.